Let's take a live look outside right now and a look at Everett. Just north of there is a gale warning, and east of there's a flash flood watch, which means it's certainly fall in the northwest, and we are tracking things that it is the holiday.
Very important
Halloween.
holiday.
Yeah, and a lot of kiddos looking forward to this evening. Hi, Adam.
Hey there. So yeah, thankfully the rain is going to be starting to wane as we go into the night. So we'll start to see those showers begin to wind on down, but we've picked up quite a bit of rain here across Puget Sound. Most of it with the showers that moved through earlier this morning, 3/4 of an inch around Seattle, 3/4 of an inch around Olympia, and then you get closer to about 1/3 of an inch around Bellingham, which actually after this really wet or dry start to the month, that 1/3 of an inch on top of what we saw yesterday, over an inch of rain, is going to bring us really close to average for the month. So it's been a really wet and wild past couple of weeks as things have started to change on a dime, and we still are noticing some of those showers up here around Stevens Pass, where we are noticing, yes, flash flood watch is still in effect up this way. Thankfully, it looks like a lot of the conditions so far not showing anything as far as any sort of debris flows or anything really getting out of hand quite as of yet right now. And Payne Field, you can see cloudy skies, and it's up this way across more of Snohomish County that will have to deal with the rain here into the earlier part of the night. Seattle, we've been dry for a little while. Other than maybe a few sprinkles here and there, we're sitting at 52 and just generally cloudy. We got that wind out of the southwest at 14 miles per hour, which will stay kind of breezy as we head on into the first part of the night. 53 in Bremerton. We're sitting at 52 right now in Olympia, 50 in Puyallup, and then low 50s in Bellingham. Now the colder air is going to start to come in from the north, and that's going to start to drop those highs down a few degrees as we go into your Tuesday and Wednesday. For here, you can see as long as we get this rain to kind of hang around, we're not going to drop temperatures down a whole lot, but we got the rain that is over parts of Discovery Bay, over more Paulsbo, heading here through Everett, and then all the way down closer to shoreline just north of Seattle, with more of the rain farther south actually heading more so into the foothills and into the Cascades, and then off and on chances across southwest interior. That flood watch, that's still in effect right now until 8 p.m. later on this evening. More of the foothills of Snohomish and King counties. Excessive rain and some of that over some of the burn scars that we have from the Bolt Creek fire. That's the more particular area that we're going to keep an eye on for as we go on into the night or for the next few hours. But once that starts to die off, as you can see here by about 8 to 9 o'clock, the rain coming to an end. The flood threat should be coming to an end at the same time too. We'll go deeper into the night and just notice a few of those spotty chances of rain. Then into the day tomorrow, 6 a.m., you're starting to see some more rain starting to pop up there out along the coast, and eventually that's going to come in with a weak disturbance as it's moving through. But this is going to be later on tomorrow evening and more so tomorrow night, 11 p.m., that you're going to start to see more of that organized chance of rain start to head on by. That sticks around into early Wednesday morning, but it's behind this weaker disturbance that once it moves off towards the east, that colder air really starts to settle in, and our highs, well, they start to fall back down into the 40s. Future accumulated rainfall showing not a lot of rain with the next system coming through, maybe 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, but that will be just about it. More of this week will be the temperatures cooling down as opposed to more of the rain that is ahead. Overnight lows, upper 30s to low 40s as we start off tomorrow morning. We'll top off at about 50 tomorrow in Bellingham. May even see a few 40s as you go northward here in Mount Vernon, up to 49. Central Sound, 49 in Redmond, 50 in Issaquah, up to around 51 in Paulsbo, and seeing highs around the low 50s and upper 40s as you go across South Sound. Here's your forecast. Next 7 days, 50 heading into the day tomorrow, but there are the 40s starting up on Wednesday and Thursday, and then another round comes in by Saturday and through the weekend and next Monday.